Yeah, my name's Duncan Innocent. I'm General Manager of Kiwitahi Pastoral. So the farm we're on today and this shed is in just south of Cambridge, just borders the Mangatautari mountain, and we're 303 hectares, 270 effective. So we've got 30 odd hectares of native bush that's fenced. The farm had a 33-a-side herringbone shed in it, and it was in the corner of the farm, and the cows were doing really long walks. Between walking, standing on concrete, milking, it was really hard on the cows and really hard on staff. The driver was we had to get out of that. You know, we knew we wanted a Rotary shed from the start, and now it's mostly in the middle of the farm, and the walking's massively reduced. So the automation we decided early on that we knew we wanted was cut removers. The onboard teat spraying, which we really wanted because it's sort of fail-proof really, like cups come off, cows get sprayed straight away, you know. We've got Navigate, so we use that for all our drafting. And we have an auto plant wash from a health and safety point of view. That's been good. There's not a lot of handling chemicals anymore. It's all preset. Generally they're just plugging it in, pushing the button, and they can leave and go do something else on the farm. So the difference in having this shed to the old shed has been huge, and you can see it in the cows. They're happy to move. They're happy to come to the shed because they know they're not going to be in here that long. They're getting fed in the shed, and staff. Well, everybody wants to work in a nice environment, and this shed's beautiful. Like it's clean and it's fast and it's efficient. I think if anyone else is looking to redevelop, for us it was people and obviously product, but and we found both of those with Cubic and Waikato. We did lots of research. We looked at lots of sheds. We found the Waikato products the sheds were a whole lot smarter. Everything was just smooth, and I just think their products were a cut above.